Hello students, in this class we're just going to look the problem from week number 7, problem number 2. It's a cone. It's a cone of 50 mm diameter and axis is 60 mm long. Rest with its base on HP. So the cone, its rest with base on HP and it cut by a sectional plane perpendicular to HP. So now you are cutting like this. You are cutting like this. Okay. Inclined at a 60 degree. So inclined at a 60 degree like that you are cutting. Where you are cutting? At a distance of 10 mm from its axis. The center is an axis. Okay. From here 10 mm you just leave. You just going to cut to the 60 degree. Now when you are seeing in the front view like this, when you are seeing from here in vertical plane how it look, that is apparent. When you are seeing from this direction will gives you the true shape of the section. Okay, that's it. So for that let us complete the simple position. Let us make axis is 60 mm long. Okay, so it will touch here up to here. Okay, so let me make the reference line XY. So this is VP and this is HP. So let us see the cone base is 50 mm diameter. Let us make one cone of its base. So 2.5 mm is a radius. Let me fix here. So I could draw here. So the circle is finished. So let me divide the circle. This only 4 is not sufficient. Let us make a 8 division for a circle. For that it's a 360, one is 90, so quadrant is 90, so 45. Let us make it for a 45 degree. 2 point is sufficient. See here 1 point, again here you see another point, finish. Now the circle is over. Let us give the name for a circle A, B. Also it's not required. Many points may gives you confusion for you, may gives a confusion for you. So B, C and D. Okay, so the diameter of the circle again write 50. Okay, now erect a vertical line that will meet VP that must be 60. The axis height is 60, right? So this point is apex. Connect apex to the point which you have already marked. So the point you can name O dash, so it is O. Okay, so this is A dash. Here B dash and D dash is hidden, and this one C dash. Okay, now let us make the section plane is perpendicular to HP. It's very important. Previously it is perpendicular to VP, now it is perpendicular to HP, but it is inclined 60 degree to VP. See, this is, if you are making a sectional plane, it is perpendicular to HP, but it is inclined 60 degree to VP. So how to mark? And also it is 10 mm. Also it is 10 mm. So for that, let us mark 60 mm where it's come. So let me take it one corner and just I have a mark 60 mm with the reference of it corner. I didn't do anything. So this is the original 60 mm. So but the difference it's supposed to be 10 mm. Okay, for that I need to extend. So let me measure 10 mm and I am marking 10 mm. Here it's coming. So this is the sectional plane. This is the sectional plane. See, I have made a diagram here. Sectional plane S and P. So this is 10 mm. So you need not to mark here. So this is 60 degree. The axis height mm. Okay. So this edges are there, this hidden edges. That too also we just connect imaginary line. Simply I am connecting. It may be useful to mark something. Okay. Now we just give the name. This is a point. This direction 1. And when there is an intersection, this is, let me mark 2, let me mark 3, let me mark 4, and let me mark 5. So 5 numerals, 1 2 3 4 5. So 1, so 1, if you are considering, it is in the circle, it is on the circle, but it is in the base. Clearly you need to understand. So erect a vertical line. So here there is a lot of congestion, so I am just erasing those points. Okay, so that it will be clear to understand for you that the section point 1. So this is a point. I am erecting a vertical line. It meets here. So immediately I am marking, this is 1 dash. This is 1 dash. Obviously here 2 is here in the between A to O. A to O. Clearly see the strips which is between A to O. Here A dash to O dash. So erecting a vertical line parallel with an axis. This is. So I could say this is 2 dash. Okay. So again this 2 we just marked, and 3 you could mark 3 but it is somehow between the strips. See, it is diagonally we have drawn one division. So this division can be marked here behind this two walls. This is behind just this line and this line. So if we are drawing this, let it be something like A1 A1 to O1, or if it is B1, so B1 to O1, these two are similar, hence you can mark this one here. So this is the point 3 dash. Now we cannot mark 4 dash. You see here it is in the same line. 4 is here and 4 dash you need to mark in this line. So how will you mark? You cannot mark like this. So for that, the principle which we have seen in the earlier problem, first problem, the same we can adopt. See, you just keep O as a center, 4 as a radius. You just draw one curve, just draw one curve which touch C to O dash, immediately erect a vertical line. This is the point, you can say this is P usually. So erect a vertical line that must be parallel to this. So erect a vertical line, it meets here. So from here you just make one turn, this is P dash, make an horizontal line. So this is a point 4 dash, okay, and 5 dash is nothing but it is between B to C and it is in the horizontal B to C. So when you are erecting, this could be 5 dash. Now you just connect by a smooth curve. Almost it is a smooth curve with the 1 minute. Okay, so it's supposed to be a very smooth curve, fine curve. I didn't make properly, just make it. So I can shade it. So question is not satisfied, we have not satisfied. So this is apparent shape only. But the question, if you are seeing, they are asking true shape. They are asking true shape. For that, it's quite simple. You just draw one parallel line of what we have drawn for a 60 degree. One parallel line. So it can be away from the diagram. Okay, same parallel line. And you just mark 1 dash with a normal. With normal. See, it's a parallel line. I'm keeping here. 90 is going here. So I didn't see this space. Initially you just giving the space between this circle and this. If you are making it very large, that is very good. If you are making a lot of gap, that seems to be very good. Now here it's not bad for me. It will look something aesthetically, some problem. So 90 is coming here. This is a line. So let me give some more distances so that you can understand. So anywhere you can draw. So the 90 degree is still here. I am marking. This is, we have dropped this one. So let it be 1 dash 2 dash. This is one double dash. This is also like a vertical plane only. This is 5 double dash. Okay, 1 double dash and 5 double dash. So now we have marked 2 points, 1 and 5. We need to mark 2, 3, 4. So 2, for my convenience I am making some parallel lines. Okay, let me check the normal. It's not normal. Let me check, because see, I have some mistake. Here the point is normal. This line is not correct. Initially I have not make normal line. That's the problem. Okay, this is 1 double dash, this is 5 double dash. These 2 points we have identified. Now let us mark 2. It has to be parallel. Three, 4. So now the cutting we don't know exactly. So for that what we can do, you can measure the height which we have seen in the first vertical plane apparent shape. So here you see 1 is here, 2. See, 2 is here, so it joins here. From here to here I am measuring the distance. Carefully see, 2 from the base to that particular 2 point I am measuring it, and directly I am transferring to this shape. Okay, then again 3 is here, 3 is here, I am measuring here. See, from the base to 3 I am measuring, from base to the particular edge of 3, and I am transferring the third line. And 4, see the 4 distance I am marking from base to 4 dash. I am transferring the fourth line. Now this is 2 double dash, 3 double dash, 4 double dash, 5 double dash, connect by a smooth curve. Yeah, smooth curve. Then you can write, this is a